I'm Safety Vincent, your crane instructor. Welcome to Crane World. Yeah, crane is being taught and explained with so much simplicity, both theoretically and practically. Wanna be a crane operator? Our services is to show you how to use and manipulate your levers to perform your different operations, to draw and interpret lifting plans, load management, carry out inspection, performance analysis, and many more. Join us on YouTube at Vincent Okrutoro, Facebook at Vincent Okrutoro, email competentvincent@gmail.com, telephone number 080-5976-6064. Come and make your dream a reality, from doubters to believers, as we walk through this journey together. You'll never walk alone. Thank you.